I I think I wanted to demonstrate something to you guys. Let me go back. Let me go back. In a bullish market or in a bullish, all right, come there. Okay, I'll see. All right. All right. So in a bullish, bullish market cipher makes it so much easier to even trade. It's like once we bullish, everything about market cipher shows you that we're bullish, and that's why I barely do technical analysis, because to me, I think I don't really have to be predicting whether we are going up or down at this point. If you don't understand Bitcoin, you probably have to educate yourself. Correction is part of Bitcoin has been corrected more than 8 times. It's cyclical, so it's normal. I don't care whether we are bearish. It's a path of everything. When it goes up, it goes down. But I'm telling you, what I just want you guys to know is Market Cipher is a script that basically it summarizes every technical analysis that you have out there, because you don't have to even worry about it. It gives you direction. It is showing you liquid and momentum, and these are mostly one of the most important or influential oscillators that you have to use when you're trading. That's all. I don't need a lot. I don't need to know stuff. I don't have to know so many things. It's not because I don't respect people who know other stuff, so I don't value what they know. I'm just saying, like, my brain, my brain needs a rest when it comes to trading. I just have to make it easy. I have to simplify it and just move on. It shouldn't be sophisticated. Neither it doesn't have to be complex, because I just want to trade and make money. I don't really have to stress. So it's like, okay, so this is a typical bullish scenario here. And Market Cipher is like, how do you guys not see it? And well, if you don't see it, well, let's learn. So let's see what happens here. In a bullish era, let's see what happens here. You can realize that we have two things hugely influencing the very direction of price. We have one, which is momentum, this one, and liquid. And I want us to follow liquid from a very logical standpoint. You see, we're in the negative from the side. Follow me, people. And we entered into the positives, right? It means if we have liquid in the garden right now, once we have liquid in the garden and we're watering our plants, they will germinate, the seeds will germinate, right? So liquid started climbing, and see what momentum also started climbing. Momentum have two waves. You have the deep blue one and the light blue one. See the deep blue one, this is where the cursor is on. The deep blue one went up, and look at the 60 line here. You understand? We had a 60 line. This is the line of overbought territories. So the inverse is oversold. All right, cool. So you already know about this thing. So I'm just trying to tell you why I don't really have to do technical analysis. All I have to have is market cipher. That's all. So we had a red dot here, which is a bearish sign. We came down. What happened again? Another green dot came down. Red dot came down. Green. We formed another green dot and went up. See, in most cases, if you guys have been following my video, normally when I say we cross the 60 line, there's a correction. We come down or probably enter into the negative territories. Why didn't we? Because we have liquid. And it's that, like, liquid is pushing, like there's so much liquid in it that like momentum even couldn't come down. So it tried coming down into the negative, couldn't, and then again surge into the uptrend. Cross the 60 line, came down again. And see how see how liquid started building up. Liquid started building up here, and it's like liquid is climbing. If I'm drawing a line, see something, liquid is climbing, liquid is climbing. So it's like money is getting much more in the assets. It's climbing, then it plateaued here, Then you realize the money started coming out. There is still liquid in the positive, but it's like too much of it in the positive. Came down, then you realize that if I draw a line here, money is probably coming down or something like that. So came down. So we realized that once we started coming down on this side with money flow, momentum made a point, so entered into the negative territories. Obviously it did. For the first time from this side to this side, momentum never entered the negative territories up until money started coming down a little bit. But how did it spend? It didn't. How much did it spend here? It didn't spend enough time here. Then again, went up again because there's so much liquid. Printed another red dot, came down, Then again, try coming. It couldn't even come into the negative territories. Went up again, then came down. Eventually entered into negative territories. But what happened to money flow? Money flow was exits, and it's like we're now decreasing in money flow, and so you enter the negative territory. It's like, let's compare that to price. You see, there was a very huge uptrend here. It was a very huge uptrend. Boom, 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 boom. So this is the best time to be longing and taking profit, longing, taking profit, longing, taking profit. Of course. So it's like, do I really have to do technical analysis? No, I have Market Cipher. It shows me direction. I don't really have to spend time, yeah, trying to talk about we going up or down. At the end of the day, we still go up. At the end of the day, we still go down. We are never going to zero, which is, of course, nobody's going to sell their Bitcoin. And people are going to hold, people are going to trade, traders trade, investors invest, and authors write books. So it's like everybody has their stake in Bitcoin. If you're trading, you're trading. If you're investing long term or short term, so it's like I can't do technical analysis because at the end of the day, I'm a trader. I have to trade ups and downs. Whether Bitcoin is going to 35,000, 25,000, I don't really care, because at the end of the day, I can short when it's going down, I can long when it's going up. So where do I belong? Which side do I belong? Shorting or long in both, investing or holding both. I do everything with Bitcoin, and I do everything with any asset that we can trade. So it's like, that's all you need to know. You don't have to really be a genius. Like I told you earlier on previous videos, I'm not a genius. I'm not really a special guy. I'm just somebody who finds time to understand certain things, and I put my all in it. And again, it is just one part of the video, and I have so many videos for you guys. If you want one-on-one booking with me, Market Cipher, you can book using my email. Share, like, comment, subscribe, promote this channel, let people know about me. I'm trying to make YouTube full-time. I think I am there, but I'm trying my very best to. So until then, I have series of videos, so many videos, and I just want to teach people how to trade. My goal is to teach you to be a trader, have skills for yourself, make money for your family, feed people around the world. I mean, be good to people. Yeah, of course, that's how life is supposed to be. I mean, Charlie. Hey, sorry for using that words. Until then, have a nice time, people. Peace. Charlie is just a normal greeting in our it's a broken language. It's not any huge word, but until then, have a nice time, people. Peace.